Hello, good morning, and good morning to all. And by the way, before I want to say, I want to say it. You know, this home is not my home. This is not my home. We are renter here, and all things that you have seen is not my own. We are renter, and I have soon to buy a own home. But anyway, I'm Bisaya. I practice to English to learn English, but soon I meet the Bigatin English version. But anyway, if you say that, that's not my own, it's sovereignty. And that's why I plan to soon, God knows, to buy a own home. Hope you subscribe my video to more video to come. And you like that? If you like that. So by the way, thank you. And we're gonna go. We're gonna go now. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe it and you like it. To more video to come. I know you like it.